Kataifi cone is a dessert or savoury dish made using Kataifi pastry, which consists of finely shredded phyllo dough. The dough is wrapped or shaped into a cone, then baked until crispy and golden brown. It can be filled with various sweet or savoury ingredients like custard, whipped cream, chocolate, seafood or creamy chicken. These cones are often served as elegant appetizers or fancy desserts, offering a crispy texture with a flavourful filling, topped with sugar syrup or chocolate drizzle. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Kataifi cones. Take 200 grams Kataifi Kunafa phyllo dough. Gently separate the Kataifi pastry strands. Grease metal cone or foil cone moulds with butter. Wrap around the metal cone or shape aluminium foil into cones. Assemble the wrapped Kunafa cone in an air fryer safe pan. Wrap as neatly as possible around the cone. Repeat the same procedure for all. Pour 5 to 6 tablespoons melted butter over the pastry. Ensuring it's well buttered. Bake in a preheated air fryer at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, or bake it in oven 15 to 20 minutes until it turns golden brown and crispy. In a large bowl, add ice cubes. Place another bowl over it. Take 85 milliliters double or whipping cream. Add quarter cup icing sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add pinch of salt. Mix with spatula, otherwise your kitchen will get messy. Now beat well. Beat until stiff peak forms. "165 grams cream cheese, beat until smooth and fluffy. Beat well, very smooth, silky texture. Our filling is ready. Add into piping bag. Now, let's make sugar syrup. Take 100 grams of sugar. Add 60 millilitres water. Squeeze some lemon. Add a pinch of cardamom powder or rose water. Combine sugar and water in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until sugar dissolves completely. Simmer for 5 minutes until slightly thickened. Remove it. Keep aside. Let's cool before pouring over hot Kunafa cones. Let it cool down 5 to 10 minutes. Let the cones cool completely before carefully removing the molds. Once the rolls have cooled, remove them from the mold. Let them cool before removing from the mold. Time to assemble. Use a piping bag to pipe cone with the chilled cream cheese filling. Dip it in the slivered pistachio bowl. Fill custard into the cooled Kataifi cones. Coat with pistachios. Repeat the same procedure for all. pour sugar syrup over it. Let the cones absorb the sugar syrup. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Finish off with rose petals. Garnish with pistachios. Can be stored in the fridge for a few hours before serving, but best eaten fresh. Serve immediately for the best crisp texture. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.